Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In our last video, we have seen in our last video we have seen that how to create a quantity pricing schedule. What does the use of that quantity pricing schedule and how we can use and how it works. What is the behavior of quantity pricing schedule? So in our today's video, we are going to learn about quantity pricing schedule. So billing schedule. What is the use of billing schedule? How it works with billing schedule in NetSuite? We'll see that. So when we are talking about the billing schedule, so how it works, what is the use of billing schedule and what is billing schedule? So billing schedule in NetSuite determines the frequency and amount to bill customer over a specific period. So in the sense, so what is the billing amount and what is the frequency? What is the billing terms? Means what is the due date of that transaction for that particular customer, and what is the specific period, for example period in the sense in January this is the current period, or February what is the based on period each 12 months each period. So how we are going to bill to a customer, how customer wants need to be paid. This is a particular useful for managing recurring billing scenario such as subscription service or installment payment, exactly like for a credit card. So like a credit card, they are need to pay on that particular due date or some specific period. So creating a blink schedule, first we need to check that enable features, next enable feature, navigate to setup company, enable feature under the transactions tab, check the advanced billing box, we need to check that. Then we can create a billing schedule, go to list, accounting, billing schedule new, enter a new enter a name for the billing schedule, define the definition, type standard milestone interval, specify the frequency like a monthly, quarterly, and the number of occurrence. Set the initial amount if applicable, and specify a specific payment term. Payment term in the sense net 30 days, net 15 days, 1% 10 in 30. Like that, we can define that billing terms, payment terms. So save that billing schedule, assign the billing schedule to transaction. When creating a sales order or invoice, select the appropriate billing schedule for the item or entire transaction. So NetSuite will generate the invoice according to defined schedule, streamlining the billing process and ensure timely revenue recognition. First, we need to check setup, company enable feature, company enable feature, the transaction, advanced billing. So we need to check this checkbox and then save it. Under the billing section, we can find that advanced billing and just save it. Now we can create a billing schedule. To create a billing schedule, go navigate to list, accounting, billing schedule, new. We can go to new. So here we have created different billing schedule like annual 3 years. So it will continuously recurring up to 3 years. We have created this 1 month, 1 year, monthly basis billing terms for this. entire month. So here we'll have names of, first we need to give the name, what is the name of billing schedule, what is the initial amount. Initial amount in the sense like the first occurrence or first payment, it will deduct the 20% of the total amount, transaction amount. Then it will pay, payment term is not 30 days. Means suppose the invoice is generated on first fifth. So so billing term, payment due date will be like after 30 days. So customer need to pay after each 30 days the payment. So recurrence frequency like monthly, quarterly, weekly. So like this, they need to pay, and each month, each recurrence month, it need to be pay one. So it will auto send a reminder. Recurrence count 11. Suppose we have created billing terms for 1 year. So in the 1 year, in the sense like why we are giving here 11, because in the first initial payment installment, it need to pay 25%. In the sense, first first month will be completed in the uh, up to 25%. So remaining 11 recurrence will be remaining count. So we need to pay here. So up to 11, now it will auto send an auto reminder like recurrence frequency. So in our areas, in the 30 payment terms, in 30 net payment time terms. So in each 30 days, we have to make a payment. Customer has to make a payment as public. It's sorry, the public, and we can save it. Once we save it, then we can assign that billing schedule to transaction or a item. So once we created a billing schedule, just review. So this is a billing schedule we have created now. Now this billing schedule, how we can assign to that item or transaction. So first here we need to open any of that item. So this is the item. Here we can assign that billing schedule. So here we'll select that billing schedule. Under the pricing subtab, here we can select the billing schedule. Just save it. Now we can use this transaction in the sales transaction and billing schedule item. Once we assign that, just we can create a transaction in closing using those items. So now here we can give them define that specific details which what is required. So just as a test transaction, just transaction. And here we can give that item. What a notebook. Billing schedule. Here we can select that billing schedule. And once we'll select, and we can give like quantity 15. Billing schedule we have selected based on item, each line item. Now we can save. This is the way we can create a sales transaction, and we can assign a billing schedule to each item or based on transaction level. So this is the way we can create a transaction, sales transaction like sales order invoice by using a billing schedule. So I hope this video was some helpful. So yeah, in today's video we have seen like what is billing schedule, how it works, and how to assign the billing schedule. So this we have seen. So in our next video, we'll select see review price level, quantity pricing schedule, price group on item record, and how to assign that. So in next video, we'll see this review, just review a price level, quantity pricing, and pricing group on the item record and how it works. So thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some good content. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button to receive a latest video. And thank you for watching. Please put your comment. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.